Imagine, if you will, a sudden jolt of disarray. Around the world, GPS clocks begin to malfunction. Power grids stumble and flicker into disarray. Communications buzz in confusion like a swarm of distressed bees. What feels like science fiction is a scenario experts warn us is all too plausible should a superflare erupt from our sun. But what exactly is a superflare? And how does it differ from the famed Carrington event of 1859? Let's delve into these cosmic phenomena and explore why the current solar cycle raises the stakes. A superflare is one of the sun's most powerful tantrums, a cosmic blast of energy and particles. Imagine a billion X-class solar flares, the most intense kind, unleashed all at once. This astronomical event dwarfs the Carrington event, the most potent solar storm on record. Back in 1859, telegraph systems around the world went haywire. Operators received electric shocks, and the night sky lit up with auroras as far south as the Caribbean. Yet even this dramatic spectacle pales compared to what a superflare could unleash. Fast forward to today, and our lives are interwoven with technology far beyond that of the 1850s. The delicate web of our electronic dependencies means that a superflare poses far greater risks. The sun operates in cycles, each lasting about 11 years. We are currently in solar cycle 25, a period marked by unpredictable solar activity and an increased number of sunspots. Temporary spots on the sun's surface that are cooler and darker than their surroundings due to electromagnetic activity. These spots are precursors and potential triggers for solar flares and coronal mass ejections, or CMEs, vast outpourings of solar wind and magnetic fields. So, how do we track and prepare for such colossal celestial events? Enter NASA's DSCOVR and SOHO spacecraft. Positioned between the Sun and Earth, they vigilantly watch for signs of incoming trouble. As solar observatories, they monitor the Sun's behavior and serve as our first line of defense. Once a CME is observed, these reconnaissance missions provide critical timing for the impending solar onslaught. When a CME is hurled toward Earth, it travels at speeds varying from several hundred to a few thousand kilometers per second. On average, this journey takes about 15 hours, time during which preparations and protective measures can be instigated. But what exactly are the consequences if this solar barrage reaches us with full force? The answer lies in our power grids and communication networks. Fragile systems that could be knocked out on a global scale. Transformers, the workhorses of our electrical grid, are vulnerable to the intense currents induced by a CME. The failure of these systems could result in extended power outages with profound economic and societal impacts. In light of these potential disturbances, what can we, as individuals, do to prepare? While we may not control the sun, there are practical steps to mitigate the effects of its cosmic temper. First, consider investing in surge protectors, or uninterruptible power supplies to safeguard your home or business electronics from sudden power fluctuations. Second, stock up on essential supplies such as water, non-perishable food, batteries, and first aid kits. A well-prepared household can cater to basic needs during a temporary loss of services. Lastly, stay informed and connected. Sign up for alerts from weather and space weather services and discuss emergency plans with family and neighbors to ensure a communal approach to potential disruptions. Ultimately, while a superflare remains a looming and daunting prospect, understanding the mechanisms at play and the protective measures available puts the power back in our hands, empowering us to face the storm from the stars with a semblance of confidence and preparedness. By embracing knowledge and readiness, we can navigate whatever challenges the dynamic sun sends our way.